teachers, I'm going to give you some information as to why I like a tool called Kahoot. Why did I choose Kahoot? Well, Kahoot is an assessment tool that has so many assessments that are already created. So once you sign up, you can go in and explore. You don't have time to create something. You can go out, look it up, and find an assessment that is already created. You can customize and create your own assessments. You can do this as a quiz or as a survey. The benefits to the survey mode is that students do not lose focus if they see their answers displayed as incorrect. The program gives them real-time feedback, and if you are in quiz mode, it gives them immediate feedback as to whether or not their answer was correct or not correct. You can change the time for the responses to allow the students to have more time to think about their answers. So you don't have to go with what the custom, I think 15 seconds is. You can elongate that, I think even up to 2 minutes for response time. How do I use Kahoot in my kindergarten classroom? Well, with math, I use it as an addition and a subtraction check. I can use it as a shape check. With reading, we can vote on our favorite books. We can take a survey for character traits of characters within a book. With writing, we can identify punctuation and spelling errors in a sentence. With social studies, you can survey for careers for community helpers. That age-old question for kindergartners is, what do you want to be when you grow up? You can also create a survey for character traits or tools that community helpers use. In science, you could create a quiz for forces, or you could create a quiz for which sense you use when making an observation. How is Kahoot beneficial? Well, the number one reason is because it is engaging and fun. It's an authentic learning experience for kids. It provides real-time feedback. You can save the results from the quizzes and surveys, and this could be used as formative data or for summative data. So teachers, I hope you take a few minutes to go explore Kahoot. It's a wonderful program and has many benefits, and the kids love it.